Animation is one of the largest industries in the world business. At this moment, value of the animation industry is nearly $400 billion. That's why everyone wants to enter in this multi-billion business industry. However, creating animation is not an easy task. It's one of the most creative and time-consuming tasks. But in today's video, I am gonna share with you a method of how you can create stunning live-action animation without any experience. If you want to enter this multi-billion business industry, watch this video without skipping any part. Let's start the video. To create any video or animation, we need a story. As I don't have any knowledge of story writing, I will use ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, ask for a story. Give a proper direction for the story. Otherwise, it will generate an ordinary and common story. Alright, our story is ready. Now we can create an animation video with this story. For creating the animation, I will use an AI tool, Steve AI. It's an AI video creator tool. You can create both videos and animations with this AI tool. If you are new to Steve AI, you have to create an account. You can create an account with your Google, Facebook, or any email account. After creating an account, come to the Steve AI dashboard. There are many options available to create videos or animations. Today we will create animation from a story. So, I will select Text to Animation tool. Steve AI has an option of creating a video script, but we have our script, and we don't need to create a new script. Close this tab, and then go back to ChatGPT. Copy the story script, and then paste it into Steve AI. Steve AI created a total of 11 scenes with our story. Before going to the next step, we have to give the name of our video. After giving a title, come to the voice generator option. Click on Add Voiceover. Now select your language, accents, and voice model.
Hello, I am Kimberly from Steve.
After selecting all of this, click on Generate Voice. Steve AI will generate a voiceover instantly. Now click on the next button to move forward. On the next page, we have to select a theme for our animation. I will suggest previewing all themes and then selecting one of them. After selecting the theme, Steve AI will generate an animation video scene by scene. And here it is. Steve AI has generated the full-length animation for us. Let's play it.
In a tranquil village, young Oliver, a curious and restless boy, awoke on his 10th birthday with a mission. He'd heard whispers of a mystical forest nestled deep within the mountains, a place of magic and treasures. Determined, he set off, packing berries, cheese, and water. As he ventured into the forest, the world transformed into a green.
It's really cool but needs to improve. Don't worry, we can customize it and make a great animation. First, I will turn off the text to see the full preview. I will turn on the subtitle later. Click on the Hide Text from the All slide. Now click on the Scene Background, and then click on the Change Background. I will change the background. You will find some scene-related keywords at the top. Select the best keyword according to the scene. Now select a background. That is the best option for your scene. After changing the background, we will change the actor. According to our story, we need a young boy. Select the actor and then click on Change Character. Here you will find a vast number of characters. Select one of them. Okay, we have selected our character. And now we can change the action of our character. To do this, select the actor and then click on Change Action from here. There are unlimited actions available here. You have to choose the perfect action for your character or actor. I will select this one, cause I think it will be a great fit for my scene. Alright, our first scene is ready. Now let's move on to the next scene. In this way, customize all of the scenes. As much time you will give to this customization, your video will be more stunning. Alright, I have completed my editing. After completing your customization, click on the Publish button from here. On this page, we have to select our video quality and format. I will download it in the MP4 version and 1080p resolution. After selecting the resolution, click on the Download button. Now Steve AI will take some time to render the video. Let's first forward this part. Okay, our AI-generated animation is ready for download. Click on the download button to save the video on your device. Alright friends, our animation video has been saved on my device. Let's enjoy the video.
In a tranquil village, young Oliver, a curious and restless boy, awoke on his 10th birthday with a mission. He'd heard whispers of a mystical forest nestled deep within the mountains, a place of magic and treasures. Determined, he set off, packing berries, cheese, and water. As he ventured into the forest, the world transformed into a green labyrinth. Hours passed until he stumbled upon a glistening brook. A melodious voice revealed a water nymph named Luna, who offered to guide him to a hidden waterfall. Together, they discovered the breathtaking waterfall, surrounded by radiant flowers. Beneath the water's surface, they found the Key of Wonders, adorned with intricate designs and sparkling gems. With the key in hand, Oliver returned home.
I think it was a good animation video with minimal effort. You can create more captivating animation with this AI tool. You have to spend more time to do it. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating animation with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!